Hello traders, today is the 19th of July 2023. What an amazing trade, guys. Dollar yen, we had amazing trade, guys. We've been long since the market respected at this support level, as you can see here yesterday. And if you look at here, this candlestick pattern, bullish engulfing candle, price nicely broken after the breakout price retest. So we've been long even this morning, as explained to my trader. Let's see if the market is going to respect, take another pullback long. So we just had a bank long trade here. Most of the traders are still holding long. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's the pretty straightforward, as you can see here. If you look at the previous price action, pretty straightforward. If you look at here, this was the price action, and which is already explained to my trader in detail. The price broke on this level and price refused to break this level. So let's see here. So technically price develops sort of like a double bottom here. So if the price gonna break, it's gonna shoot up. As you can see here, the price nicely broken and beautiful long trade here, still holding, and price nicely hit to the first target, which is the fifth channel, and that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it when you watch all this analysis in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.